Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0x000000EF critical process died error in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So the command is msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. You can remember it easily. Press the Windows key and the R button together. Paste this command here or write this command here. Click on OK. It will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next. The next solution is to run the driver verifier manager. So search for verifier and open the verifier manager and select create standard settings. Click on next. Once again. It will search for unsigned drivers. Now my system doesn't have unsigned drivers, but if yours do, then you can update them accordingly. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter. This is called an SFC scan. The next solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with idle Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all. Click on apply, then on OK, and finally restart the computer. The next solution is to restore your system to a previous point. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next, select a good restore point, click on next, and finally click on finish to initiate the process. The last solution is to update drivers. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options. Select optional updates. Expand this. If you find any optional updates here, click on download and install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.